Hello Davis County teachers. I just wanted to come to you today and give you a quick reminder of the simple way to turn notifications off for Google Classroom for individual classes. This time of year there are a lot of updates going on between the 9 weeks, and you can often end up with classes in your list that you don't really need to keep track of. Or if you're like me and co-teach many classes, you might not need to have notifications of everything going on for each classroom. So the quick way to take care of that is to go to Google Classroom, and then at the top you click on the 3 lines, and then you will find your list of classes, and then at the very bottom of that list you will find the settings. Under settings there are a lot of different options. This top switch actually turns all notifications off for all classrooms. So turning that one off can actually make you miss important information from the classes. You can also change individual settings of what type of notifications you want for all classes. But then if you go to the bottom of this list, you will find class notifications, and if you open that, then you will find a list of all of the classes that you are included in. And you can go in and turn notifications on and off by simply clicking on the switch for each class. And if you do not need notifications for that class, you can simply turn them off, and then you will not receive any email notifications for that class. Does not remove you from the class, it just turns off those emails. So that should help clear up your email box and save you some time. And at any point in time you can always go back and turn them back on if you feel like you need those again. I hope that helps. Have a great day.